Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to start a $1 million business. Yes, if you are someone that's wondering, how do I start my business? How do I grow my business? In this video, I'll be taking you through the basics of entrepreneurship, how you can start that $1 million, $1 billion, $1 trillion business, all at the comfort of your house. Yes. So, in order for me to start and give you the secret of starting and growing your business, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Oh yeah, filare. Like the video, jare. If you want me to dance better than this, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. So, without wasting further time, let us jump in and look at how to start a business all at the comfort of your house and start packing money. We'll be talking about entrepreneurship. What is entrepreneurship? When we say someone is an entrepreneur or someone have a business or someone started a business, what do we mean by all these terms? So entrepreneurship is the creation or extraction of value. It's the process of setting up a business, bearing most of the risk and enjoying most of the reward. So entrepreneurship simply means starting a business or owning a business. It means you start a business, therefore the reward comes to you and also the risk comes to you. The asset comes to you, the liabilities comes to you. So entrepreneurship, simply put, is just a way of starting a business. Now, when we say side hustle is just a business that you do outside your traditional 9-to-5 job. Most of us work from 9 to 5. So a business you can do on weekends or in the evening or in the early hours of the morning that's outside your typical 9-to-5 job is what we call side hustle. And it's different from part-time job because for part-time, the time is restricted and constrained and there's some rigidity there. But when we talk of side hustle, there's a lot of flexibility that comes with it. Finally, there are jobs you can do anywhere, whether you're on the road, whether you're inside the house, anywhere you are. We want to explore jobs that you can be able to do from wherever you are in the world, in America, in Australia, in England, in Japan. Hey, location does not count because most of the businesses are online. So now that we've discussed entrepreneurship, which business should I start? Which business can I start? So the best way to know a business to start is to look at the Venn diagram that's on the screen. So you can see on the Venn diagram, you are looking for the sweet spot, which is the center. And this sweet spot has to do with what job do you enjoy doing? What do you think you like doing? And what are you good at? Sometimes we can enjoy doing something, but we're not good at it. I'm someone that enjoys singing, but trust me, I'm not a good singer. So when we're looking for the business to start, you are looking for a combination of what you enjoy doing and what you are good at. And also the final part is, what are people willing to pay you for? So you're looking for the combination of what you enjoy doing, what you are good at, and what people are willing to pay you for. So that will give you an idea of the kind of business you should start. I always encourage people that if you are wondering on the business to start, just take pen, take a paper, you can even use your laptop, and write down about 10 things you enjoy doing. Out of those 10 things that you enjoy doing, which one are you very good at? So that will drop it from 10 to 5. So let's say you're very good at 5. So out of those 5, which one do you think people are willing to pay you for? That will drop it from 5 to 3. Because for people to pay you for it, it means you are very good at it. You have to do it very well. You have to do it at a level that people are satisfied to pay you for that service. So that will drop it from 5 to 3. So from 10 to 5, 5 to 3 or 2. So you start with the 2 or you start with the 1. That will give you the kind of business you should start. So you can be a doctor and also be a business person. There are doctors that have different side hustle outside their traditional 9-to-5 job. You can be a student and be writing books and be making courses. So you can also be a programmer and create content online. You can be an analyst like me. I'm an analyst in a bank, but I'm also a YouTuber. I'm also a content creator. I'm even making this class for you to show you that you don't have to limit yourself. You can be one thing and try other things outside your typical job. So just as a motivation, some people ask, okay, why should I start my own business? I already know that you have millions of reasons why you should start your business. But to add to it, people start business in order to acquire new skill. You can be a banker, but you want a new skill as a YouTuber, you go for it. So you can be into programming. You don't just want to create apps for other people. You want to create apps for yourself. You go for it. Also, you want that flexibility that comes with where you work. You can be in your house and be working. You don't have to wear suit or tie and all those formal dressing in order to earn money. You want to be able to have more time for yourself. You want to do things at your own pace. You want to enjoy life. So you want to live life the way you want it at your own terms. And also, you're able to combine your passion with work. So here, we're not just looking at businesses that you can do to earn money. We're looking at how you can combine your passion and make money from your passion. So you want to be your own boss. You want to live life the way you want and make money. Of course, starting a business is to make money. That's the sole goal. But you don't just make money. You create value. And by creating value to people, you earn money from them. What are some of the things you need to have in mind in order to start a business? Because I don't want you to just start. I want you to start and be successful. I want you to start and make it. I want you to start and really grow your business to a full-scale business. When I started my business, I was earning nothing. But as of today, I am much more in a better place. So some people started the business with just $0, and at this point, they're earning about $1 million by starting the business from their house, from their couch. So what are the things you need to have in mind when starting a business? So first thing is that you need to shift your mindset. What you discover as I take you through this class is one key thing is that you are shifting your mindset from being a consumer to being a creator. So instead of being the one consuming content online, buying clothes online, doing that online, enjoying services, you want to be the one providing the service. So that's the core thing when it comes to entrepreneurship. You don't want to be a consumer. Now you want to be a producer, you want to be a creator, you want to be a maker, you want to offer service to other people. So you don't want to just be enjoying. Facebook is not good, Apple is not good, this is very good, this is that. No. Instead of being the one giving remark, giving criticism, you want to be the one now making the item instead of just giving a review. And most of the business I'll give you, I told you that they have little to no cost. So because they have little to no cost, it simply implies that it will involve substantial upfront work. You may need to put a lot of work at the beginning. So they're not just some scams or some things that they're not get quick rich schemes. No, you have to put substantial work at the beginning. But once you're able to start the business, it will be able to maintain itself most of the time. And sometimes you need little to no work in order to grow the business. So by the beginning, there's a lot of work you have to do, a lot of learning. So open your mind to learn and to do the work that's involved. After all, you're growing a business that can become $1 million business. You think you won't put in work? Life doesn't work that way. And also, you need to have patience. You need to have patience because sometimes it takes a year, it takes 2 years before you start getting substantial return from the business. So I told you that not get quick rich scheme. So it takes time before your business will start giving you the kind of benefit that businesses give. And also bring your creativity to the table. Innovation is key. Bring your idea, bring your uniqueness, bring who you are, your full you into the business. As we go through the class, you will understand that it's not good to overpromise and underdeliver. Don't promise people heaven and earth and deliver nothing to them. It's not just about placing ads that you will do this, you will do that. If people click on it and their first taste of what you can offer is not what you preach to them, what you advertise, they will leave. They won't come back again. So you want to offer value. Value is the key. In this class, if you forget everything I will teach you, don't forget that value is the key to growing a business. You need to offer people substantial value. How they want it, not necessarily how you think you should offer it. How do they want it? How do your customers want it? Like the guy that started Slack. He was into coding games. But today, Slack has become $1 billion business. Even Jeff Bezos just started Amazon from his house, from his garage, as they say, And today, Amazon is worth more than $1 trillion. So you see, most of these big businesses that you think are out there, they actually started from home. So you can start from home and you grow it to become the kind of business that you desire. And for you to do that, you must offer people substantial value. You must listen to your customers. You must get feedback and see how you can improve and keep working on improvement. So to grow a successful business is actually an endless, continuous improvement. You keep improving, you keep improving. So you keep listening to your customers and keep making things better over and over again. It's excellence. You are offering people value that they cannot resist. And once you're able to do that, you can charge any price. and they'll be happy to pay for it. Also, some of the businesses we are starting, you won't get $1 million in a day, at least at the beginning, but over time you grow. So we're looking at business that you can start, maybe earn $0 in the first month, but in the first 6 months, no, you are earning things that are substantial. You can grow, your earnings will grow. And also, finally, start with one. Put your effort on it, put your attention on it. Try to grow something out of it. If it didn't work, you move to the other one. Don't do 10 businesses at once. Don't do 20 businesses at once. It's not a good way to maximize your strength. I will just run through it just to give you like a recap. We will discuss a lot about you enjoying what you are doing. Not just enjoying what you're doing, you want to earn from it. So which means that you have to be good at it. So we said that in order to start a side hustle or a business, we're looking for something that you enjoy doing, something that you are good at, and something that people are willing to pay you for. And most importantly, you need to look for where there are opportunities. You don't just start a business just to start a business. You look for where there are opportunities to earn. So you want to start a business, you know that you can earn from it. Remember, it's a business, means that you can earn from it. It's not a charity. Don't feel bad to earn from it, because what you're doing is a business, not a charity. Even charities these days earn millions and billions of dollars. I told you the other side hustles you can start, the other businesses you can start. And just as a recap, we talk about course creation. You can create a course. You can start a podcast. You can tutor people online and make money from it. You can start day trading. You can be a stock photographer. You can go into Amazon ebooks. You create books on Amazon, or you do Amazon FBA, Amazon FBM, or merch by Amazon, which deal with t-shirts, hats, and some other wearables that you can make money from on Amazon. So we also talk about Amazon audiobook, where you can sign up on acs.com, be among those that know that make and produce the audiobooks that people listen to on Amazon Audible, and they pay you, of course, substantially for it. That sometimes it can be a recurring payment, and sometimes it can be a one-time payment, and depending on the option that's available, go for it. We equally discuss about print on demand, where we look at different businesses that people are starting when it comes to making t-shirts. We discuss about creating an app, and we're like, you don't have to be a programmer in order to create an app. There are websites that have made creating apps easy. And we're in the world of app, I'm sure, look at your phone, there are several apps there. Some are built by big companies and some are built by individuals like you and I. So we're like, if you can come up with an idea, you can pay some freelancers to code the app for you, and you start making money from it. And it's a way to actually become a billionaire easily if your app blows up, of course. So we'll talk about blogging, that if you love speaking or you love writing, you can be a blogger and earn through these different ways that you are seeing on the screen. We look at being an influencer. TikTok is trending, Instagram is there, Facebook is there, Twitter is there, and a lot of people that are making millions and billions of dollars from these businesses. And of course, you know that nobody starts the first day and earn $1 billion. You grow your audience, and by growing your audience, you can monetize it and make money through different means. So we discuss a lot also about YouTube. We talked about TikTok. We talk about creating digital products. If you go to Etsy, eBay, and some other websites, Shopify is also them. You see that people are selling different things to other people online in form of ebooks, online courses, PDF, custom graphic design, stock photos, several other things that people are creating and selling online, and are making huge money from it. I even showed you an example of a budget planner that I made, and that you can even modify it and go and sell it. I'm allowing you to modify it to go and sell it, but other people may not give you that right and privilege. For you to understand that, no, I believe in you starting with something, in you making money, from home, from the comfort of your house. And side hustle jobs are jobs, as the name implies, you can do by the side. So it means you have a main job, a 9 to 5 job, but you also have job you do on weekends or in the evening or in the early hours of the day, just to earn that extra income. I know you like earning extra income, just like me, which is good. So we are on the same page. Thank you guys for watching this video. This video is part of my course on Skillshare. You can check the link in the description box for you to see the full course and see 15 businesses you can start, all at the comfort of your house. Whatever you choose to do, I'm okay with it, as long as you smash the like button and subscribe to my channel and jump to go and check out these courses and videos. If you don't want to take a course, I've attached 2 YouTube videos that explain to you businesses you can start and start earning money today. Thank you. Bye.